Hey everybody, Justin Sehner here. How's it going? I've got another print-on-demand video for you here, and this is probably one that you haven't seen before. I'm going to show you how to sell personalized print-on-demand license plates with Shopify. And you see a little example of what it could look like. It's going to look a lot better when your customers can actually personalize these, but they're literally just kind of nice designed license plates that people would be able to put on the front or the back of their car. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it all with print on demand, which is by far the best business model on the internet right now. And if you don't know about print on demand, I'm going to walk you through it real quick. It's the idea that we get to sell hundreds of different types of products. It could be things like t-shirts, apparel, home decor. There's even these crazy print on demand dolls. In this case, we're talking about license plates, so a huge variety of product. All of these products you could sell without ever touching them up front, without ever paying for them up front, without ever dealing with fulfillment or shipping or anything like that. The name kind of just describes itself. Print on demand, right? The print part, they're going to produce the product. In this case, they're going to produce a personalized license plate. The on demand part, that means when it's ordered, right? It's only going to be produced when it's ordered, right? Print on demand, produce when ordered. And in the e-commerce world, that means we're only creating the product after we get paid for it, all right? And that's the light bulb moment. That's why print on demand is so popular and so incredible. You get to sell products that don't exist. You get to collect payment and profit on those. And then in the background, the production gets started. And I'm going to show you the exact process over here. Step one, you're going to create designs, or in this case, you're going to allow your customers to personalize and customize the designs. In some cases, they might just want to upload a photo that can be used on their personalized license plate. You're then going to go ahead and add those products into your store, just like any other product. It could be in your Shopify store, and once products are in your Shopify store, of course, that means customers can order and pay for those products. And this is where our job ends. Customer makes an order, we collect our profit, and there's nothing left for us to do. There's no warehouse for us to go to. There's no phone number for us to call. There's no order information for us to copy and paste. Everything happens automatically behind the scenes. The print-on-demand partner, and I'm going to show you this step-by-step over the shoulder, they're going to receive the customer information. They're going to receive the order information. They're going to receive, what product, how do they want to personalize the license plate, what color, what shipping address, all that information. The print-on-demand company is going to get that automatically, and then they're going to do all the hard work. They're going to produce the product. They're going to ship the product. They're going to even provide the tracking number to your customer on your behalf via email. Your job is done right here. Right? And think about a normal or a typical e-commerce business, right? You'll have products in your store, you'll get orders, and once an order comes in, then all the hard work begins. Not in print on demand. That's why this business is so incredible. All you need to do is act as an entrepreneur. You need to have cool, unique products in your store. You need to market them, make sales, and that's it. Collect your profit. Your job is done. Behind the scenes, print on demand does everything else for you automatically. But why do you want to sell personalized license plates? Well, the whole thing that you need to focus on as a print-on-demand entrepreneur is constantly showcasing new and unique products. You just want to basically feel, or you want your customers to feel intrigued every single time you offer a new product. And why can we do this so easily? Well, there's zero risk. With print-on-demand, there's no upfront product cost. We're not storing things in a warehouse. We're not hitting a minimum order quantity. It's not like we have to order 1,000 up front just for us to test it in our store. You could test every single print-on-demand product at the same time. It will still cost you $0 in product inventory because there is no upfront product cost. So your job, again, is to offer unique products. And every store is going to have t-shirts and hoodies. I'm not saying don't offer those. You absolutely should. All right, I sell a bunch of those every single day. I'm going to continue to. But you want to make your customers feel intrigued. I promise you these custom license plates will definitely do that. And that's the power of print on demand with personalization, right? You're still enjoying the zero risk, the no upfront inventory, but you're ensuring that you have a truly unique product every single time. So how do you sell these? Easy 4-step process. You're going to use the Tsunami print on demand app. It's totally free. You see the link on your screen, podapp.justinsehner.com. Reason I use Tsunami app, well, a bunch of different reasons, but number one, they offer personalization right inside of your store. We'll go over the shoulder. I'll show you exactly how that looks. But quick 4-step setup. Number one, you're going to install the Tsunami Print on Demand app at podapp.justinsehner.com. You're going to go to the products section of the app. You're going to find the auto section. Then you're going to go ahead and choose your style of license plate. then you simply add it to your store and promote it just like any other product. And we'll go over the shoulder inside the app, but there's a bunch of different print-on-demand license plate options here. You got the silver gloss, you got the white gloss, really high quality, and of course can be customized and personalized with any design that you want. So let's go over the shoulder. We're going to go inside the Tsunami app, and we are going to build personalized license plates for our Shopify store. We are inside of the Tsunami app, and all we need to do is head on over to products, and you're going to see there's hundreds of different print-on-demand products all over here. You could choose from a variety of these products. They also have pre-designs, which are pretty much done for you, existing designs. We're going to come down here into auto. You see some keychains over here, and this is a car coaster. And over here are those two license plates. So all you need to do is just pick one. A little bit of different pricing in here. We got $680 for the premium members, $996 for the premium members, a little bit higher if you're just using the free version of this app. And we'll go to the silver gloss over here, and I'm going to show you the 3 different types of print-on-demand that Tsunami offers. Number 1 is standard print-on-demand. This is going to be where you literally upload a design. So you would create a design where it says tropical. You would upload this exact design, and they would be buying this exact product. Pre-design is a little bit different. This is where there's a design added. It could be this exact design. You could add a design on here, and then the customer will be allowed to add their own image or add their own text. So this is what they call pre-designs. And we're going to set it up for fully personalizable. This is going to be where literally they could just go crazy and do their own thing. They could upload photos. They could use existing photos from the Tsunami platform. They could add text. We're going to give them full control. So step 1, we select our print-on-demand personalization. Over here, we're going to give a title. I like to do something like this. So upload your photo and turn it into a license plate. Okay, we come over here. Typically what I like to do, I'll just keep what they have, then I'll add a little product description or put in a 3-part product description, tell a story, you know, etc., etc. So this will be your product description. Over here is your pricing. So you see this is what they recommend as pricing. Here are the shipping costs, $4 in the USA. This is the print size. You would be more concerned about this if you were creating your own design. Since they're doing full personalization, we don't have to worry about this. Here we could set our price. So we have 50% margin over here. We could change it to something like $19.99, get a normal number, add our margin a little bit. Honestly, we could even sell it for a little bit more because of that personalization, right? Anytime you offer full personalization, you get to charge a little bit more. It's a little bit higher perceived value, therefore a higher selling price. And that's it. That's why I love the Tsunami app. So easy. Everything's just in this one page. So we'll go over here, click Publish to Store. And what's happening in the background is it's creating the product. Literally just takes a second or two. We'll come over into our products. And we'll now go ahead and find that personalize it license plate right over here, and we will view it on our online store. And the first thing that you're going to notice is there is no add to cart button. And that's because we have the personalize button here instead. And this is all done by the Tsunami Print on Demand app. You see we have our title, we have our 3-part product description, or just the text that I put in here. Right, we have the pre-filled product description over here. We have the, of course, the image. But you'll notice that when the customer wants to add to cart, they can't until they personalize. So I'll show you what's going to happen. They click personalize, and they're going to be brought into this little mock-up generator where they're going to create their license plate right here. You see the holes that are going to be in it in terms of getting attached to their car. And then you see the 2 main buttons. They could either add text, or they could add image, or they could do both. So we'll click add image, and they could grab it from Facebook or from Instagram, or they could upload it from their PC, which is what I did. I grabbed a picture of one of my cats, of course, and we're going to have this image now turned in. You see it's over here. Drag the image right over here. We're going to turn this into our license plate. And we're simply going to just increase the size until we have it the way that we want it. This is fully what you see is what you get. So I'll just increase it in size, just center it. So we got the fat guy right over there. We could even make it a little bit bigger and move it just like that. We could add text if we want. It would just literally add text right on top of here. I'm happy with how it looks without the text, so we'll simply click the cart button. And a really cool thing about the Tsunami app, as this adds the product to cart, it's going to actually save the mockup, and you see it replaces it basically immediately. So what they're seeing inside of the cart is the actual product they're going to receive. And I've been doing personalization for a long time. This is a massive deal, right? This is something that drastically increases your conversion rate because they're literally seeing a preview of exactly what they're going to get at the checkout stage. So this is the Tsunami Print on Demand app. This is personalized license plates Really nice margin on here, really unique, always 100% custom because we have that personalization tool that Tsunami provides. So get this in your store. The app is totally free over there at podapp.justinscener.com. I hope this helps you make some money, and I'll talk to you real soon.